Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a 3D printed crystal dragon. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like. Very well packaged. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. This is so big. You can see this, the colors are beautiful on it. It's like it shifts colors, so it's like pink and blue depending on what angle you're looking at it. So you can tell this is like the 3D printed. That's what it looks like. The tail has this little thing and you can move it around. That's what the head looks like. See right there. Very pretty. So I did get this for my older son. He is going to love it. I have reviewed the smaller ones on the channel. This one's actually pretty cool. I really do like this, and I love how it shifts colors. I think that's just so awesome. But let's go ahead and see what my son thinks about it. Okay, so this is my son, Elisha. What do you think about it?
It's super cool. I have a tiny one of these that's like that, but this one's like 30 inches long. It's so cool and big. I like it.
You like it?
Uh-huh. Look, Mom, it's a circle.
Yeah. I love the way it shifts colors. Let me see. This way you can kind of see it a little better because it focuses. Look how long it is. Look how long it is. It just keeps going and going.
It's super long. It's almost as long. It's like taller than Micah. That's like huge. I like it.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.